guys, so as you can see, we're doing a little winter camping out here. Just figured, you know, it's time to get out, and it's 38 degrees today, so it's a decent day. It's hard to get the fire going, hard to keep it going because everything's so wet, and I didn't bring any dry wood. I live in such a huge array of just wood and, you know, and woods and dead stuff laying around that it's just foolish to pay $10 for wood when you can put that in the vehicle and use it for fuel. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to things and make sure I keep tabs on stuff. I'll show you a little bit where we're at here. So this is a big federal forest out here. It's only about 10 miles north of where I live, or where my dad lives, I should say, because I don't really live anywhere. But we used to cut all our firewood out here. You $5, you get a permit. You can cut all the dead standings, dead or trees, and cut them up. Guys, that is some amazing chili. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I could do this every day. Just amazing. So much flavor. So I wanted to take you guys back in here. I don't know, you know, some of you know a little bit about deer, but you know, this is basically an oak, and it's Quercus alba. It's a scientific name. I have a degree in basically recreation management with an associates in natural resource science. So I've had 2 forestry classes and an agricultural class, and you know, a few of those things. So what they do is, you can see the deer come back in here and they'll scrape, and they'll try to get acorns. And I didn't get it on camera. As I came in here, there was 4 deer rummaging around here and running and whatnot, but you can see the tracks here. This is their little trail where they came in, and yeah, like I say, they come in under these oaks and try to get some acorns and stuff. Not that it's harsh right now, because back in the day there used to be you know, 20, 30, 40 inches of snow, so they really struggled, but you know, they don't struggle like they used to. But anyway, yeah, they'll come in here and they'll scrape around and try to scrounge up some acorns to eat. But anyway, yeah. And a red oak, which these are red oaks, and these are Quercus ruba. And anyway, yeah, just a little bit. Of course, we got some cheese, so we're gonna put that on chili here. Put that on there, and we'll just kind of let it. We'll put the lid on and let that all melt, and then we are gonna have some great chow. Alright guys, everything's done. We're ready to have something to eat, watch a movie. Guys, absolutely amazing. I mean, Nothing beats cooking on the campfire. Just nothing. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Like I say, I wish I could do this every day. Alright, guys, from the Wayne Dyers, man, signing off. I'm gonna eat, watch a movie, and hit the hay.